It's not good, but it's very, very good that this is happening. And they are able to then, when they go back, excavate what they have learned, plus from each other's learning. And what I have said or unsaid. I mean, I love to be with children. And it's, to me, it's the best thing that they are doing. And I want to introduce this in our ballet also.
I'll start with the introduction of Global Actors Group. It's a theatre group. We do weekend theatre, and our way of working is that we do research on our topics, and then each of them, pura team milkar, we do a little practice on that, and we make a project out of it. So, ma'am, today we are here to discuss something about mythological topics. We each and every one of us have different topics. So I'll start. My topic is Mirabai. If we take her story and we kind of, I don't want to offend anybody, but if we take the Krishna element out of her story, it becomes the story of a woman who's making choices for her life. उनके जो husband है वो war में शहीद हो जाते हैं and they are expecting her to perform sati, कि आप सती करिए. She says no, that I don't want to do sati. मैं क्यों करूँ जब मैंने अपने husband ही नहीं माना है. तो ये different social conflicts हैं जहाँ पे ये फंसी हुई है.
Yeah, I'm talking about Mira today. She defied the male order, which was prevalent then, and it's much worse now, because at that time she had parda. Today, women who want to defy the male order, they only brick walls. To me, Krishna is there as a, I love this rose, I love my curtains. They've been here for 50 years. I've never changed them. It's just like that. We have to think of it beyond the person who came and went.
मैम, हनुमान जी के बारे में जब हम पढ़ते हैं तो हमें पता लगता है कि हनुमान जी वानर थे. वानर मैम जैसे हम जानते हैं कि दो शब्द से मिलके बना है. वन मतलब जी जंगल और नर मतलब आदमी. हनुमान जी जब मैम बड़े हो रहे थे सो उनकी मदर ने कहा था कि अब आपको अपनी एजुकेशन पूरी करनी है तो आप सूर्य देव से अच्छा कोई गुरु नहीं हो सकता. तो उन्होंने कहा था आपकी एजुकेशन कंप्लीट करने के लिए हम आपकी शादी करा रहे हैं, इसके बाद भी आप जो है ब्रह्मचार्य का पालन कर सकते. सो सूर्य देव ने कहा कि आपको अभी मेरी बेटी हैं सुवर्चला देवी, उनसे आपको शादी करनी पड़ेगी.
Do you know who wrote the original Ramayana? 2-3 months ago, I came across the fact that the first Ramayana was written by Hanuman.
Okay, ma'am.
And it was written with his nails on stone. And when he used to worship that, and when one day Valmiki came to him, can I see your Ramayana? So he showed it to him, what Hanuman had written. And Hanuman, what did he do? He just took it and he threw it, Hanuman, in the sea. So Valmiki said, but why did you do that? So he said, because you're a human being. You've written a Ramayana. The whole world can see it. I've written it the way my only reason from the whole Ramayana, from beginning to end, was my devotion to Ram. And yours is much beyond that. That is something I learned about 3 or 4 months ago. Sita removed her Rajabhisheka necklace and gave it to Hanuman. And like he, do I have a necklace? Yeah, so anyway, he was like looking through all the beads of the necklace. And Sita was wondering, what are you looking for? He said, I'm looking for the necklace in which there is Ram written. To him, that was more important than the glory of very expensive. So anyway, that's something I have to see. And I will also start reading on Hanuman now.
कहा जाता है कि जब एक इंसान की डेथ होती है तो उनकी जो आत्मा होती है, उनकी जो प्राण होता है, वो 13 डेज के लिए बॉडी में रहते हैं. तो ये जो अघोरीज होते हैं, दे गो टू क्रीमेशन ग्राउंड्स एंड दे लुक एट द बॉडीज. तो ये कहते हैं कि इनकी फ्लैश खाता है, जहाँ पे उनकी लाइफ खत्म होती है, वहीं से जो अघोरीज होते हैं, दे कंटिन्यू दैट. ये कहते हैं कि अघोरीज दे टेक अल्कोहल. सो व्हाई डू दे टेक?
I'm sure if I start reading, I'll also find.
बचपन से ही हम माखन चोर कृष्ण की कहानियाँ सुनते आ रहे हैं और राधा के उसके टुवर्ड्स अनकंडीशनल लव एंड डिवोशन की किस्से सुनते आ रहे हैं. तो आई स्टार्ट विद हर बर्थ. राधा बॉर्न हुई थी रावल में, जो गोकुल के पास है और उत्तर प्रदेश में है. उनके पिता वृषभानु और उनकी माता कीर्ति देवी. अष्ट सखी कहते हैं उन्हें, 8 सखीज मतलब. और उनमें प्रोमिनेंट थी सबसे ज़्यादा ललिता सखी और विशाखा सखी. उनके चाइल्डहुड का एक और इंटेग्रल पार्ट उनका कृष्ण के साथ वक्त बिताना था. जैसे मोर कुतर लीला, जिसमें कृष्ण पीकॉक का रूप धारण करके राधा को प्लीज करते थे.
In his state of being not well, says to Narad that you go to this I was going to say Nityagram, this place where Radha used to be, and you get some matti from there. So Narad goes there. He takes a small cloth. He doesn't know what is coming, and he doesn't find anyone there. Then he finds 5 or 6 ladies sitting together, but and when he goes there, he discovers that one of them is Radha. He said, I need something Krishna has asked me to bring. So they all, from the bottom of their feet, they remove the matti and they fill a whole bori full of the matti. And Narad Muni takes it back to Krishna. And actually, all his wives are very angry. He said, we've been bathing him in pure oil and all. So the moment he gets this on his body, he becomes all right. So it is the love was not it was a healing power, And this actually, if I can find it, I will send me a copy. This is a very, very interesting book on stories about Radha and Krishna. And one chapter is called Radha Krishna का ब्याह हो लो.
सूरज का अंश हो के फिर भी हूँ अछूत में, आर्यवत को जीत ले ऐसा हूँ सूत पूत में. कुंती पुत्र हूँ मगर न हूँ उसी को प्रिय में, इंद्र मांगे भीख जिसे ऐसा हूँ क्षत्रिय में. आओ मैं बताऊँ महाभारत के सारे पात्र ये, भोले की सारी लीला थी किशन के हाथ सूत्र थे.
मैम कर्ण फेवरेट है, मैम सबका फेवरेट है, लेकिन जो महाभारत में जिसको हीरो बना दिया वो अर्जुन जी थे, क्योंकि उनके साथ भगवान श्री कृष्ण थे. लेकिन कर्ण का मैम अलग ही, वो ट्रेजिक हीरो बोला जाते हैं, ट्रेजिक हीरो ऑफ महाभारत. सूर्य पुत्र होने के बावजूद वो एक सूत पुत्र रहे मैम. तो कर्ण क्योंकि सूर्य पुत्र थे तो उनके शरीर पे जो थे वो कवच और कुंडल हाँ वो थे मैम बाय डिफॉल्ट थे. तो कि कर्ण से बड़ा दानवीर कोई अब इस उसमें नहीं होगा दुनिया में. और कर्ण जैसा कोई जो मित्रता है, जो कहते हैं कि कर्ण की मित्रता है, वो कभी हो नहीं पाएगी.
But I can't say that anything that Karan did was wrong. It is all correct.
Yes, ma'am.
And I mean, I've done a full ballet. He's done Karan. It's something which is very so close to my heart because this Karan was adopted by Radhe.
Yes.
And I mean, I have an adopted daughter, and I adopted her 55 years ago. And she has a son who she called Karan.
Okay. Wow.
And at that time, perhaps to adopt was not natural. I mean, it's legal, but hardly anyone adopted. And I can tell you, when I adopted my daughter, people rang me up from newspapers, please, why did you adopt this? That? Why? I mean, it was not a reason, it was just, I did. But she named her son Karan because somewhere within her, she felt that, it affects all our lives, and I think everyone over here has a Karan inside us,
Yes.
which we are waiting to be energized. Krishna and Karna were two sides of the same coin. Only thing was that Karna didn't know that he was the son of Kunti, and Krishna could manipulate everything. I still feel that all the deaths in Mahabharata were manipulated against the Kauravas. It's just my own. The more they do, the better. I mean, you start talking about one subject. I mean, you begin with one subject. And the more you scratch that surface, you come to, like there's that TV serial called Dharm Kshetra. Every person of Mahabharata is shown in that. Every. Good or bad or indifferent. So when I began seeing it, I saw all of them. So they will themselves go further into the subject.